today, Oslo School.
I'm here in Mermaid Cove. I just took a sample of water and I'm gonna be testing the temperature, the pH, the dissolved oxygen, and the turbidity of this water. Stay tuned. Gonna put this thermometer in here for 2 minutes.
Acidic or alkaline? pH test.
I got my pH right here. Put 7 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm gonna fill it up with water. That's nice. Here's my little kit. Put it in the middle. Here's my other one with clear water. Put it in here. It's time for us to decide who is the best match. I'll say it. 7.5, the best match.
Is this water in the best range for most aquatic life?
I'm gonna look at the temperature on this. Ooh, wow, that's some pretty cool water. It is just above 40 degrees. 40 degrees Fahrenheit. It's less than 50 degrees. So that means this water is officially cold. Which means it's a good temperature for a lot of animals that need cold water.
Who could breathe in this water?
I'm gonna now test the dissolved oxygen in this water for animals that need to breathe through gills, like fish and bugs and tadpoles and stuff like that. All right, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna line it up and I'm gonna use my best little pinchy finger, little snap, and it's turning blue. Gonna do 10 turns. 1, and 10. There's that bubble. So now I get to compare it with our beautiful dissolved oxygen chart. Is that a good fit? No. Is that a good fit? Better. Now I gotta turn this around because I don't know. I'm gonna say it. It's up here in the 10 to 12 zones. That means there's a lot of oxygen in here for fish. Pretty cool.
Is this enough oxygen for baby salmon to breathe?
This is the tool that we use to measure turbidity, but it is missing a critical element, and that is the Secchi disc. So I thought I would show this to you, but sadly, I can't do a more scientific measurement today because when you're missing part of the tool, it just doesn't work anymore. But I will say, this water is pretty clear, so it's getting a thumbs up from me. So we're in a different part of the slough now. This is right by Broadmoor Golf Course, which is not long for this world. And this is the quality of the water that we're gonna be testing this time. So we can already see that the turbidity of this water is not what the other sample at Mermaid Cove was. This water is more murky, less clear. So we're gonna say it is more turbid. But that just because it's turbid doesn't mean it isn't healthy. Let's take a look. We're gonna put in the thermometer again, and we're gonna do the pH test.
Acidic or alkaline? pH test.
pH indicator solution. That's, I believe, 7 syllables, which is perfect. So put my indicator solution in, 7 drops, and I'm gonna fill it up till the water changes color. Put it in the inside hole, fill up this guy with no indicator solution. Put it in this guy. Then I'm gonna look into the light and spin it till it matches. That's a perfect match. It's also 7.5, a 7.5 pH result.
Is this water in the best range for most aquatic life? Who could breathe in this water?
It's time for the dissolved oxygen test. Filling it up to the 25 milliliter mark. Getting out my little glass ampule and doing the pinch. All right. 1. And 10. Oh my gosh. This water looks pretty much the same oxygen content as our Mermaid Cove. That's pretty cool.
Is this enough oxygen for baby salmon to breathe?
The water in Mermaid Cove looked really clean and really good quality, but our water in this part of the slough, it doesn't look as clean, but it's definitely got the same dissolved oxygen and the same pH. So don't judge a book by its cover and don't judge a water just by its looks. Okay, last of all, we're gonna do the temperature. Who is she? The temperature of this water is also in the 40s. Can you see that? The temperature of this water is definitely less than 50, a little higher than 40, so that means it is also cold. How exciting! This water is more turbid, but it has all the same water quality indicators as our Mermaid Cove sample. Pretty cool. Do you think the results will be different in August? Why do you think that is?